Hi, welcome everyone. I am Architect Sunura and I am here with another video tutorial on Revit Architecture 2019, and today in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about curtain walls and their functioning. And so if I will go to this wall in architecture mm, panel, and if you select wall architectural, and if you go to this drop down arrow, and here you are saying after regular walls, these are regular walls which I have taught you in earlier tutorials, and these are the curtain wall. And it is here it is written three types of curtain wall. They are near about similar to each other, but there are some difference. This is curtain wall one, exterior glazing, and storefront. So we need to understand the first what are the difference between these three: curtain wall, exterior glazing, and storefront. So I am going to draw and show you the difference. So first I will draw the three, and I will try to identify what are the difference. And so I am going to draw this curtain wall. I am going to select it, curtain wall, and if I am drawing here curtain wall, and here is draw panel, and I am drawing curtain wall first, and after that I will go to again this panel, and I will select exterior glazing, and I will draw exterior glazing also. And after that again I will go and select storefront. I will draw a storefront, and so now we'll see the difference. This is curtain wall, this is exterior glazing, and the last one was storefront. So I'll go to view and 3D view, and here it is. This is the curtain wall, exterior glazing, and storefront. So if I go to realistic view, and so this is the curtain wall. So in curtain wall they will show only a glass panel, and there will be no mullions and grids in this. And if you take this second one, the exterior glazing, in this these are the grids which separates the glass panel, and there will be no mullions. But if you go to a storefront, they will be having grids and mullions both. So this is the difference, basic difference. But you can select either three of them and you can work upon. So mostly we select curtain wall or exterior glazing. So if you take this first curtain wall, and if you want to make some changes, so how we'll do, uh, I will go to curtain wall, and if I will select, if I want to make changes, so there is some uh, methods. So either you can go select this curtain wall, or and go to edit type, and if you go to edit type, and first you have to make a duplicate so that changes will not apply to whatever curtain wall if you draw in next project or here only. So I will go to rename this anything. You can rename curtain wall 2 or curtain wall 2 A, B, something like that. I will select OK, and now the this function is exterior, and automatically made. I will make you understand in next video tutorial. You will keep it default, and then curtain wall, it's written none. There are many types. Can select brick also, and there are many solid and glazed also. So for timing I will keep it none. Then material finishes is by default, and vertical grid. So if you want to give vertical grids in your curtain wall, you can select this layout. So vertical grids are that dash line. So you have to keep fixed distance or fixed number or maximum spacing, minimum spacing. So fixed distance is from 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, how much grid you want, and then you will select. So in this vertical grid means how much at what grid do you want your mullions to be placed. So you will keep this fixed distance, or if you know the number how many means vertical grids you are required, then you can click fixed number, and the maximum spacing, what is the maximum spacing you want to grid, that will be automatically numbered, after calculation, and minimum spacing. So mostly we used to keep fixed distance, and it is by default is given 5 feet. So I will make, I want this to be 2 feet fixed distance, and adjust for mullion signs, it will be automatically checked. Then horizontal grid, I will also make this at fixed distance, and spacing I will keep it 2 feet, and adjust for mullion size will be same. And then vertical mullion, so this is vertical grid and horizontal grid, so that is only grid, not mullions, and this is the for mullions. If I will I will not select this vertical mullion, horizontal mullions, and if I will click OK, then you will see there vertical grids are placed at the distance of 2 feet by 2 feet. So this is the easy method, but I have not placed mullions. These are the mullions. So to make you understand, I didn't apply mullions in this. So I will go again and select this curtain wall. I will go to edit type, and I will go to this vertical mullions. I will select means interior type. You have this written none. So if I will go to select to none, and there are some default mullions Revit has given. So if I want this rectangular mullion 1.5 inch into 2.5 inch rectangular, I will select this, and these are the border 1 type, border 2 type. So first I will go and apply this, because I need to make you understand what is border type 1, border type 2. So I will go to interior type rectangular mullion, and I will go to apply, and OK. And so you are seeing these are the vertical mullions, interior vertical mullions I have applied of the required dimension. And again I will go to select this curtain wall, go to edit type, and now we'll apply border type 1. So I will go and select border type, and then any of like 1.5 inch to 2.5 inch, border type to 1.5 to 2.5, and then we'll select this horizontal mullions also. I'll go and select any of the mullions, and in this also we'll select the borders. Borders means the outer boundary of the curtain wall, and any of you can select. And then after that, these are the identity data, and by default it will give an assembly code that we are not required, we can't edit that. And then I will click apply, and OK. And now you are seeing our horizontal and vertical mullions, and these are the outer boundary. These are placed, these all are border 1, border 2, which you have seen in means vertical and horizontal mullion. So if you not apply border, then this outer boundary of curtain wall will be not shown, it will be shown as glass. So now you have seen how we have easily edited the curtain wall here. And there are some many settings also. If you want to make this these are glass panels, if you want to make it as solid, you have to just uh, um, click tab on your laptop or desktop, and just select it. After clicking tab, you have to just select, and if it is pinned, you have to just unpin it. And after that, system panel is showing glazed, so you can make it solid also. You have to go to this properties, and you can make it solid. And so you have seen this has become solid. And you can select this after clicking tab, and select this also, and you can go to its edit type, and you can go to material, this material and finishes, and you can change its material also. And you can go and search if aluminum is there. So we have to go to aluminum is not showing here, so I will go to this. I will make another tutorial on uh, how to apply material. So I will go to this asset browser, and I will search aluminum. And I will select this aluminum for time being. And then after that, this is aluminum. We will click apply, OK, and we'll click apply, OK. So you are saying here aluminum has applied. So you can change by applying material also. You can change, make it solid, you can make it glass, and there are many things we can select. Your you can select curtain wall, go to edit type, and you can go to this curtain panel, and you can make it full solid also. If you go to down system panel, you can click solid, and you can click apply, and OK. So everything will be solid. So these all curtain panels has become solid. And if you want to make like aluminum composite panels, ACP panels also, you can make it edit. You can edit this, and you can try to make the curtain wall as ACP panels. I will show you how to make in another video. So again, if you want to make glass, or make some parts as glass, you can go and hit tab. And after that, so if you want to make any changes here, you have to go and just press tab anywhere, and you have to select whatever you want. And so I have selected this much to make it as a glass panel. So I will just go and unpin, and unpin everything, and so that we can apply the changes. And after that, we have to go to this system panel solid, and we can make it as glazed. So we can make some designs like this. And also, if you want to make it as remove any solid and glass panel, you have to just go and press this tab, and pin it, and go to this system panel, and you can make it as empty. So it will be empty here. So these are the changes which I have shown you. If you want to make everything as solid or everything as glass, you have to just go and press tab anywhere, and you have to just right click it, and you have to go to this select all instances visible in view. So it will select all the instances which are visible in this view. And you can make changes accordingly. And you can make change the materials here. Default new material, you can make some other material like door frame, apply, OK, and the material is changed. So this is the method we can use to edit the curtain wall. And so in next video tutorial I will continue with this curtain wall and make you some more changes which you can do. And also, before ending this video, I would like to tell you about how to change this curtain wall with another method. And I will go to architectural, and I will go to this curtain wall. I will draw another curtain wall, and this is glass panel. So this is the advantage of if you make duplicate of your curtain wall or whatever wall, floors, roof. So these changes will not apply to your default tools and commands. So I am going to select this curtain wall, and you can make changes also by going to this architecture, and this is for creating curtain grid and mullions in your curtain wall. And this is curtain system which we'll use in massing and site. If you go to make any massing and site, we'll use this curtain system, and I will show how you can use curtain system. And for creating curtain grid, you have to just go and select curtain grid, and if you select curtain grid, it will show as all segments, one segment, all except picked. So this all segment means it will create in individual vertical and horizontal grids. So you can create horizontal or vertical grids. If you go to if you take your mouse to uh, this vertical panel, then horizontal grid will be made. And if you take it this as vertical, then horizontal grid will be created, and if you take horizontal, then vertical grid will be created. So you can create horizontal and vertical grid by this method. And this is one segment, that means it will create in individual panel or segment individually. If you want to create individual, it will not take entire grid, it will create it as individual segment. And all except picked is places the grid segment all panels except those we have select to exclude. Whatever space is excluded, that will be created using this. And after that you will go and apply mullion. So you have to go to select this mullion, and in this is this grid line. So this will mullion will be applied to your entire horizontal and vertical grid, and this is grid line means one segment. And all, if you want to apply in every grids, it will be applied by clicking this all grid lines. So I am going to select this grid line first, and if you apply to any of your grid, horizontal or vertical, mullions will be created easily. And if you go to select this grid line segment, it will take individual segment for creating mullions. And so you have to, and if you take this all grid lines, so it will take the entire grids whatever you have created to make mullions. So I am going to select. So this has entire grids has been converted into mullions. So this is another method to make curtain walls customized, and you can make nice designs by using this. So this was the video. In next video also I will continue with this curtain wall. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Software Mania. Thanks for watching.